Stop. Smell.
Gotta represent. Chase it, chase it. No.
Hey guys, it's Hailey. Welcome back to the channel if you haven't been here before. But today's video we're doing a Little Scissors mukbang. Stop.
A little buzz fire.
If you don't know, if you didn't watch my other video, this is Isaiah. Stop, you nasty.
Want to have a freaking scab?
This is Isaiah, my boyfriend. He's weird, so don't even mind him. But today we're doing the stuffed crust pizza from Little Scissors and cheese breadsticks. So let's take a thumbnail right quick. Anyway, hold up inside of it.
Let me do.
Okay.
Let me.
Yeah. Okay. So drinks. What are you drinking?
Deer Park water, established in 1873.
Good ASMR voice for you. Delicious. Okay.
Yes.
So, you a big piece or a little piece?
I don't care. Give me a piece.
Looks good, don't it? So, welcome if you haven't been here. And if you have, welcome back.
Well, so you go. Breathe though.
I told you you need nothing. But,
Go subscribe if you haven't. To DKYOUTDOORS. That's my brother's channel. I have a channel, but I haven't posted anything yet.
he made a new channel.
I mean, I have like 7 YouTube channels, but this one's legit. This is gonna be my last one. So I say, but it's Real Deep Outdoors, but instead of R-E-A-L, it's R-E-E-L, like a fishing reel.
Wow, magic.
Yeah. You know, we're doing a bunch of outdoorsy things, like frog gigging and hiking. Oh yeah, I forgot this was cheese crust. It kind of caught me off guard a little bit.
But
Jesus Christ, was you hungry?
I didn't have as big as a piece as you did.
Oh.
So, I'm gonna eat this whole pizza by myself. But if you like outdoor stuff, fishing, automotive, blah blah blah, stop.
No.
If you like that stuff, check out A&D Outdoors. That's Alex's channel.
A-D-K-Y Outdoors.
A&DKY Outdoors. That's Alex's channel. And then Isaiah's is Real R-E-E-L Outdoors.
Real Deep Outdoors. Jesus Christ.
It's good.
Yeah.
But he probably won't be posting a lot because he's going to college. Puts a little kink in your plane, doesn't it?
No, I'm gonna keep posting. I mean,
In a big city.
a big city. It's a miniature Richmond.
Are you going to like?
I'm going on the days I don't have a lot of classes. The time I have off from football, mass fishing.
No cousin.
That's not a cuss word. It's in the Bible.
Anyway. So he's leaving for college in like 2 weeks. And I'm not excited. Tell him about football camp.
Football camp, it's awful. It's terrible. It's the worst thing ever. It's just so much running. It's just so much.
That's what he's going to be doing on his channel too. He's going to be doing sports conditioning videos.
No, I'm not.
Come to the gym with me videos.
No, definitely not doing that.
But I'm still going to be on here filming stuff. Hopefully I can get some more stuff up. I'm going to have a tiny house update video up soon. So, if you didn't watch my last video, I ended up moving into the tiny house. Yay! I've been living there for a week today. He doesn't care because he doesn't come to my house ever.
Whoopie freak.
Stop!
It's too funny. Jesus Christ.
But I'm gonna be working on the kitchen this week. But if you want a tiny house update video, leave some questions down below. It's gonna be like a Q&A style video probably. And if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to answer them in the video.
How old are these? Like 5 years? It's like chewing a brick.
That is good to me.
My teeth hurt.
Maybe it's just because you got a big mouth. So, how's everybody's summer been? Mine's been awful.
Yeah, because they can totally have a conversation with you right now.
They can comment down below.
Down there.
He's new to this YouTube stuff. He doesn't understand how it works.
I just told you I had like 7. I just told him I had like 7 YouTube channels.
Do you ever post on any of them?
Well, most of them was when I was like 8. So.
He had a dipping channel when he was in middle school.
Don't go watch them videos, please, for the love of Jesus.
That's funny. Stop. This is going to be a video of a compilation of me telling him to stop. Quit and eat.
I'm trying to bottle flip.
Stop. He's so nice. Well, I told him that I was going to be filming this video yesterday.
No, you didn't. You told me that last night.
Yeah.
I was half asleep.
You still know about it today.
I didn't until you asked me to tell me about it.
But we're going to be filming a Taco Bell MUKBANG. And this stupid went and ate Taco Bell today. Before I come over.
Before you came over?
Before I came over.
Before I come over? You know about?
No.
Bye.
I have my own.
Bye.
No.
So much for a bite, right?
It's dry with that sauce on it.
It's bread.
Why didn't you put that sauce on it?
Because I asked if you wanted a bite. You didn't tell me you wanted sauce on it.
I didn't ask you for a bite either. Let me know if you all want any like more makeup tutorials, because that's what this channel was supposed to be, meaningfully, but not now. So if you want some more of those, let me know, because now I have like a little bit of a filming setup since I moved. And if you want a tiny house tour, let me know. There's not much to it, but you get it.
If If you want more videos of me, I'm just saying now. Because I am the funniest human. I'm just so awesome.
They don't want no more videos with you in it.
Did they tell you that?
Yeah.
I'm sure they did.
You know what I hate about stuffed crust pizza?
The cheese on the crust. That's the part of the thing, honey.
You have to eat all of the pizza just to get to the crust.
You don't. You don't actually.
Then it wastes the pizza.
No.
Mm-hmm.
If you give it someone that don't like stuffed crust pizza.
Who doesn't like stuffed crust pizza? Exactly.
Me.
You don't like it?
I mean, it's not my favorite. I'm not gonna be like, oh my god, stuffed crust pizza.
My dad and my mom and me used to go eat Pizza Hut every Sunday, right? And Dad would never let us get stuffed crust pizza because he hated it. Only person on this earth that I know that did not like stuffed crust pizza. Until now. But me and Mom would always end up going by ourselves and getting stuffed crust because we liked it. But yeah, I guess I'm going to end this here since I said it's going. But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Click the big red subscribe button down below to be subscribed to my channel. Click the bell notification button if you want to be notified every time I post a new video.
What are you doing?
And comment below if you want a tiny house Q&A video / tour.
And comment below if you want me in all the videos from now on until the end of time. Because I know I'm the best part of the video.
Sure.
I am.
Okay. Say goodbye.
Peace
out,
out.
homies.
Gotta represent. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch.